Today, we're addressing taxes on short-term rentals, Airbnb, VRBO, and the OBBB's clarifications. If you rent your home or a room for fewer than 15 days a year, you pay no tax on that income, and you can't deduct expenses. It's the 14-day rule. But if you rent for 15 days or more, you must report the income, and you can deduct expenses like cleaning, supplies, insurance, and a portion of mortgage interest and property taxes. Under OBBB, platforms must issue 1099-K forms starting at $600 of gross payments, same as other gig platforms. They also must provide sellers a summary of bookings by state to help with transient occupancy tax, hotel tax compliance. Allocate expenses carefully if you live in the property. You can only deduct costs for the rented portion. For example, if you rent a room that's 20% of your home's square footage for 90 days, multiply each shared expense, utilities, mortgage interest, by 20%, then by 90 to 365. Track days rented versus personal use. Keep receipts. OBBB introduces a simplified method, a $50 per night deduction per room, similar to per diem. This can save record-keeping time, but may yield less than actual costs. Use whichever benefits you more. I had a client, Sierra, who rented her basement apartment 60 nights a year. She grossed $8,000, but never reported it. When she received a 1099-K, she panicked. We calculated her expenses, a portion of utilities, cleaning supplies, a new water heater. Her net income fell to $3,200. We also discovered she could deduct depreciation for that portion of the home. After deductions, her taxable profit was just $1,800. Her tax due was minimal. She also learned to collect occupancy tax for her city and remit it quarterly. Platforms often handle occupancy tax automatically. Check your settings. If you co-own property, allocate income and expenses according to your ownership percentage. And if you use rental platforms internationally, research local tax obligations. Short-term rentals are often considered a business. Under OBBB, self-employment tax applies if you provide substantial services, meals, tours, but not if you merely rent space. Evaluate your offerings. Spiritually, hosting is hospitality. Money flows when you create safe, welcoming spaces. Place your hands over your heart and solar plexus. I share my space with love and receive abundance ethically. Don't fear the IRS. Embrace clarity. If you need help sorting your short-term rental taxes, comment rental. Like this if it enlightened you. Share with hosts, follow me for more, and book a session. I'm sharing education and strategies, not personalized tax or legal advice. For tailored help, book a consult. Crystal, Tax and Credit Alchemist, Reiki-infused strategy.